guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to discover people, means how to follow the people or find the peoples on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. And in the profile section you can see the three lines on the top right corner. Just simply tap on the three lines, and then you can see the option of discover people on the very bottom. Just simply tap on that option. So that's where you can easily discover the people or find the people, and you can follow them from here. And you can also connect your contact list to find your friends in the easiest way. Just simply tap on connect and allow access to connect your contact list on Instagram. So you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest videos on the end screen. Thanks guys.